Hello, welcome to our next tutorial on using elements in Dotcom. Are you struggling with adding icons to your website? Incorporating icons into your website's layout helps you to enhance the navigation and promote the user experience. How? Go to the desired theme page in your Dotcom account and click Elements. Drag and drop the icon element to the design canvas. Hover over the element. You can customize it through 3 sections. 1. Icon element. Click the Edit icon. A customization panel loads on the right side with 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Go to the Content tab. Select the Edit icon on the icon image and upload an icon in SVG format from your computer. Click Save. Now, if you want to add a link to the icon, use the link field. You can link it to a page, external URL, file download, email, or phone number. Here, you can change the view of your icon. Dotcom also lets you adjust the alignment for different screen types. Now, switch to the Style tab. You can change the style in normal and hover modes. Select the Normal tab. Here, you can configure the icon color using the globe icon or the color picker tool. Next, adjust the size of the icon for different screen types: a computer, tablet, and mobile. Next is the Advanced tab. It has 4 sections: Advanced, Background, Border, and Visibility. Expand the Advanced section. Here, you can change the margin, padding, and width value of the icon element for different screen types: desktop, tablet, and mobile. You also have the option to customize the position, z-index, CSS ID, and CSS classes. Now, expand the Background section. Here, you can configure the background parameters in normal mode and hover effect. Select the Normal tab. Select the background type as color or image. On clicking Color, you can select a color from the global colors or choose a custom color using the color picker tool. If you select Image, you can upload an image of a maximum 5 MB size from your computer. Next, you have the option to change the radius and box shadow. Switch to the Hover tab and perform similar customizations. Now, expand the Border section. Here, you can customize the border type, border color, and border width for normal and hover modes. The last section in this tab is Visibility, where you get to hide the icon on desktop, tablet, or mobile screens. 2. Container column. The next section in our tutorial is Container column. To edit it, click the Edit icon. A customization panel loads on the right side of the screen. Go to the Content tab. Here, adjust the different column parameters like column width, column gap, alignment, and widget space for different screen types. Switch to the Style tab. It has 2 modes, normal and hover. Here, you can customize different style parameters for the background and border for each mode separately. The customization options include background type, color, border type, and border width. Go to the Advanced tab to make further customizations on the Container column. 3. Container row. The final section in this tutorial is Container row. Hover over the Container row and click the Edit icon. Like the Container column, you can customize the content, style, and advanced settings here. Select the Content tab. Here, you can adjust the content width, height, row gap, column position, vertical align, and HTML tag. Switch to the Style tab. It has normal and hover tabs. Under each mode, configure the background and border customizations of the Container row. Navigate to the Advanced tab. Here, you can customize the margin, padding, and CSS parameters. Further, you can configure the responsive and visibility. That is all about the container row. Save the changes and click Preview to see the updated design. That ends our tutorial on the icon element. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with designing your website. If you have any queries or concerns, please reach out to our implementation specialist or contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.